Hello, my name is Gerhard Schäle. I am the instruments trainer at the KEVO campus department in Biorach. I've been with KEVO more than 40 years now, and today we are talking about the ELECTROMATIC premium dual motor system.
The ISO turbine hose with driving air, and spray water is able to run different driving systems as high speeds, intraflex or air-driven motors. The KEVO multiflex coupling is perfect for a fast and easy exchange of the different driving systems, where the high-speed instrument is the most used one. The KEVO Intraflex system is a low-speed instrument system with an integrated air motor. The different versions allow a speed up to 100,000 RPM. The KEVO air motor 181L with the intra-coupling and a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM connects all motor-driven handpieces and contra-angles with an ISO connection 3964 from low speed up to the speed increasing instruments with a ratio from 1 to 5. To set up the system, connect the plug from the transformer of the power supply into the connector in the middle of the ELECTROMATIC and turn it clockwise to lock it. Connect the 4-hole, 5-hole or 6-hole ISO turbine hose of the dental unit into the left media input plug and tighten it. It is marked on the ground plate with M1. Plug the motor tubing or comfort base tubing into the left media output plug and tighten it. Do the same for the right media input and output connectors with the other turbine hose of the treatment unit and the delivered motor hose. The ELECTROMATIC dual system needs 2 turbine hoses from the treatment unit. Be aware that the end of function is for both ELECTROMATIC versions, single or dual version. On the left side, it is marked with a M1 on the bottom of the housing. The ELECTROMATIC is available with a motor hose from the KL703 motor with 40,000 RPM, which is the connection for all intra-hand pieces and contra-angles. Or it is available with the comfort base hose, the connection for the short and ergonomic speed increasing comfort drive handpiece. The motor setting is adjusted to 2700 RPM max. Here an EXPERTMATIC E20L with a 1:1 ratio is chosen. Therefore, the maximum possible speed is 2700 RPM. The speed reduction ratio of the EXPERTMATIC E15L, which is a 5.4 to 1, has to be set on the display. The ratio reduces the motor speed of 40,000 RPM down to 7,400 RPM per speed. The speed reduction ratio of the Mastermatic M29L and the Intrahead L67, which is a 14.8 to 1, has to be set on the display. The ratio reduces the motor of 40,000 down to 2,700 RPM per speed. The speed increasing ratio of the Mastermatic M25L, which is 1 to 5, has to be set on the display. The ratio increases the motor speed of 40,000 RPM up to 200,000 RPM per speed. The electronic of the ELECTROMATIC recognizes the comfort drive automatically when the tubing is adapted. No further setup is needed. The display shows the real burst speed.
Now we're taking a look at the KEVO Mastermatic high-speed contra-angle handpiece. The KEVO Mastermatic speed increasing handpiece is an electric attachment
that comes in two configurations: standard head size and mini head size. Both configurations feature Cavo's triple gear technology, which more evenly distributes the workload of the handpiece during operation. The triple gear mechanics also allow the handpiece to be produced in a shape that is unique to Cavo, which enables better access to the molar regions of the mouth without compromising maneuverability or cutting effectiveness. Being made out of stainless steel, these handpieces are incredibly robust. We don't use any nickel or titanium in our handpieces. The chuck system has been specially crafted with tungsten carbide, which is almost twice as hard, the material used in non-Cavo handpieces on the market. The Mastermatic M25L and M05L handpieces connect to the Cavo KL703 motor, supported with Cavo's ELECTROMATIC electric systems. With a 1:5 transmission ratio, these attachments can reach speeds up to 200,000 RPM. If you notice, even at a max speed, I'm speaking with a normal volume. These handpieces are extremely quiet, which is something you, your patients and your staff will very much appreciate. Safe drive technology in the ELECTROMATIC Premium also helps ensure that while operating these quadrangles at such high speed, the handpiece will not overheat while in the patient's mouth, preventing risk of burns or other harm coming to the patient.
This was the introduction of the ELECTROMATIC Premium Dual Motor System. Thank you for watching.